Hi, my name is Alec Moore. I'm the owner of Apples & More. My farm is a U-Pick apple farm located just west of Watkins Glen, New York. I've owned my farm for 3 years this year. My parents do a lot of work, and then I have various other staff that helps make donuts, pick, and all the things we have to do in the fall. They should visit Schuyler County in the farm tour because there's a lot of diversity here, agriculture, that they can really experience a lot. Just a chance for everyone to come out and see all the local farms and come here, and people are really truly interested in what we do. This year we'll be offering visitors the U-Pick apples, obviously, the raspberries, flowers, mums, pumpkins, and then all of our goods in the store, jams, jellies, ciders, and donuts. Everyone should just check out my Facebook or my website to double check before they come to see what we're offering that weekend.